Walmart was one of the first to have kind of inventory data en masse. And is yours taking into account kind of the sales and the transactions of their inventory, or does it go beyond that, or does it do something completely different?
It does. Inventory itself is an area that we're gathering more and more capabilities. So typically what we do is we bring in, almost always we start with the same 6 data sets. The first 2 are the most dynamic and kind of the most inscrutable most of the time, and that is the transaction log. So this is a record of what every register in the company did, by location, by physical register. The e-com transaction log. So this is the stuff that's going on their digital sites. The human resources file, the customer loyalty file. So those customers that have declared their fealty to a company and are kind of registered loyal customers. And then the location information. So specifically the geolocators. Where is this store? And oftentimes our customers have other descriptors or characteristics in those store files. So they may be talking about the product mix that's available at that store. It might be something around the location. Is it in a mall? Is it in a standalone? Is it a strip mall? In some cases, we've got companies like Sephora, for example, that have stores within a store. They're a subset of other stores. So a very rich data file that goes beyond the physical location. And then finally the item master. So this is the list of everything they sell. So in a grocery store, it's the 50,000 SKUs that they've got. In a restaurant chain, it's the 20 or 30 menu items that they have. So really wide difference in terms of the inputs. But those 6 data sources make up the bulk of what we do. Or at least the initial tranche of what we do. We create a database with these things. We harmonize the data so that it can be compared against each other. We add mathematical and statistical operators on the data, thereby expanding the breadth and depth of the database. And then we provide a tool that lets our customers ask questions of the database. And we're not trying to be experts in every business. What we're trying to do is make it easy for the people who are experts to ask questions in their area of expertise and to do it seamlessly without having to be a data scientist.